What causes a motorcycle vacuum leak? Have you ever wondered why your motorcycle is running rough or stalling unexpectedly? One common issue that could be at play is a vacuum leak. So, what exactly causes a motorcycle vacuum leak? Let's break it down. A vacuum leak happens when extra air sneaks into the engine's intake system, bypassing the normal route. This usually occurs between the carburetor and the cylinder head or through damaged parts. When this extra air enters, it disrupts the balance of air and fuel that your engine needs for smooth operation. The most frequent culprit behind a vacuum leak is aging or damaged rubber components. This includes the carburetor boots or intake manifold boots. Over time, these rubber parts can dry out, crack, or become brittle, especially on older motorcycles. Even if they appear fine, bending or stretching them can sometimes reveal hidden cracks that allow air to slip in. Another common source of vacuum leaks is worn throttle shaft seals. The throttle shaft is a metal rod in the carburetor that controls airflow. As time goes on, the seals around the shaft can wear out, letting air leak past them. Some carburetors use felt instead of rubber seals, but felt is less effective and may need to be replaced with an O-ring for a better seal. Leaks can also occur in the fuel pump diaphragm or the vacuum hoses connected to the intake system. If the fuel pump diaphragm is damaged, it can allow air or fuel to leak into the intake, causing various running problems. Similarly, cracked or loose vacuum hoses can let air into the system where it should not be. Vacuum leaks are particularly common in older motorcycles because rubber parts degrade with age and exposure to heat, fuel, and weather. Regular inspection and maintenance of these rubber components can help prevent vacuum leaks from becoming a problem. When diagnosing a vacuum leak, listen for unusual hissing sounds near the intake area. You might also notice erratic idle or that the engine runs better with the choke on. Other signs include loss of power, rough running, or the engine stalling at idle. A handy trick is to spray carburetor cleaner or starting fluid around suspected leak areas while the engine is running. If the engine speed changes, you have likely found the leak. In summary, the main causes of motorcycle vacuum leaks are deteriorated rubber boots, worn throttle shaft seals, and damaged or loose vacuum hoses or diaphragms. Keeping these parts in good condition is essential for maintaining smooth engine performance.